This morning we're here at Long Island Jewish Hospital for probably one of the most important reasons in many of our lives. To come here and recognize the people that are taking care of not only each of us, but our family members, our first responders, our family members who wear the uniform of the NYPD, who wear a uniform of scrubs, those that mop the floors, our security officers that keep us safe when the folks start rolling in. Many never thought that we'd be in this position. It seems like we're in a movie. It seems like we have to run from this virus. But it turns out, when it strikes, the sick folks run here. The New York City police officer on patrol are going into those apartments, holding the hands of those sick family members and friends that need help. We're loading them into the buses of EMS, and we're escorting them here. And what we find is true professionals. Folks that are working hour upon hour. Folks that won't stop. Folks that have emotion in their face. They shake it off and they stand next to that gurney. They're not only treating us medically, they're taking care of us emotionally. Because at a time like this, when someone is sick, and God forbid they're dying, these folks in these scrubs, wearing these masks, become the family. You're not only taking their blood pressure, giving them their medicine, you become their comforting words. You become their family. Sometimes you're the last person they see. And we cry. Yes, we cry. Amen. Nurses, doctors, the technicians that hook us up to the vents, the police officers when they find out we lost another one. Yes, we cry. But you know what makes us different? You know what makes these folks different? After we cry, we wipe our tears. We square our shoulders. We shake it off. And we stand next to that next bed. And we give comfort to that next patient. And we try to save the next person. Through this tragedy, yes, many times we lose them. But you know what the bigger number is? The ones that you save. The ones that you send home. The ones that we cheer for. So as New York City police officers, we're coming here today to say thank you. We're saying thank you to each and every one of you for shedding tears for my family. I'm thanking you for holding the hands of my family. You know what the reality is? You know what the reality is? New York City police officers have always known that. Because we've been here at our worst of times before we knew what Corona was. Nurses, doctors, staff, security, the folks that make this place run have always stood by the side of New York City police officers, and we stand here today. So, today we took the time, with the help of this great hospital, our CEO, and all that helped him do his job. We took the time to come here at the beginning of your tour. And we came here for some of you at the end of your tour. So hopefully, by this show of love and support, by these great women and men in uniform, we'll give you the strength as you walk in here and start another long day. And hopefully, that while we stand here and cheer for you, those that are ending their tour can maybe for the first time put your head on your pillow, say your prayer, and sleep tightly. God bless each and every one of you. We love you for what you do. now we're going to give you and introduce you to the folks that actually do the work we speak of every day. Sir?
Thank you so much, PBA President Pat Lynch. I'm Michael Goldberg, the Executive Director of Long Island Jewish Medical Center. And I want to tell you how much this visit from the NYPD means to us and the NYPD PBA. This to me is heroes recognizing heroes. You're out there on the front lines every day providing support and making this the safest city in the world. And we are here today at LIJ Northwell Health with this incredible team, who's just a small subset of the incredible team in the building behind us, that is making LIJ, Northwell Health, and New York the safest, healthiest city in the world. We are in the epicenter of the epicenter, and this is the team that's doing it. It's my distinct honor and privilege first to thank you, and also to introduce our President and CEO of Northwell Health, Michael Dowling.
I want to say, Pat, thank you so much.
Sure, thank you.
Thank you for those eloquent words. And today we're all one family, because everybody behind us here doing heroic work and have been doing it, not only during this coronavirus issue, where obviously they've had everybody's bar had to be raised, but what they've been doing each and every day, taking care of people who come here in dire need, with families who are worried. Patients come in here on an ongoing basis, and especially the last couple of weeks where it has been extraordinary. I want to say to everybody here a special thank you. You absolutely have done heroic work. We're so proud and privileged to be part of this major family, but also looking forward and looking at the people out here and all the police and those behind me. I want to say to you also thank you, because this is a partnership. When we work together and when there's unity in terms of commitment and compassion and caring, where the community is important, where the public is important, and everything we do is to make sure that we take care of the community, which in many ways our own families, our friends' families, and we do it together, which is what this represents here this morning, is exceptional. And when you come together like this, there is no virus that can beat us. Just everybody talks about how bad it is, and it is. But also remember, I think next week they will be discharging from this hospital their 2,000 patients. And across the system, we have discharged people who have come in, had the coronavirus in dire circumstance, very, very sick, but 7,500 of them have gone home. Remember the good things that have occurred and the good work that everybody has done here. So on behalf of everybody at Northwell, all of the hospitals at Northwell, all of the other facilities, and on behalf of the 70,000 employees that we've got, I want to say to the PBA and the police department, and all of you out here, all of the police that work on the front lines in each and every day, we want to say on behalf of everybody here, we thank you. Start the day this way is absolutely extraordinary, and for you to put the time in and the commitment, we really, really, really appreciate it. And again, to everybody, those behind and those in front of me, on the left and on the right, we're all one, doing good work to take care of good people. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Mango. Nice mango milkshake. Bananas.
We're getting crossed.
I know, right?
Oh, two. Double.
All right, Danny, I'll be right here for you.
All right.
I'm here for you.
It's a snack food.
That's it? I love that they have so much fruit.